And finally, the Veritron allows Justin to utilize more of his land. Land that the farm's previous owner, Justin's grandfather, was unable to penetrate. But because of the Veritron's large size and weight, what was once unusable wasteland is now productive acreage.
There's certain fields that my grandfather had told me that he had planted once and never again because he couldn't harvest them. So I went ahead and I planted those fields this year. The Veritron has the capabilities of harvesting them. So with the fields that we already owned, we were able to gain almost 100 acres of land that we were able to put into potato production, which is great land because it hasn't been farmed with potatoes and the organic matter levels are good.